See?
Did you get all yours?
I have no idea.
Because anything you leave, that's why I don't like to shoot 45 here.
Actually, these kids are cheating with the nut picker.
Hey! Alright, shooter, nod when you're ready. Stand by. Back up, window. Reload. No, do one with the ring.
So there's 6 up to here. Yeah.
There's one more. Okay, nope. Nice. Oh, one more.
Which one?
Here on the left. There we go. Back here. Got 2. One over here. Yeah. Okay, you're good. Now you just got 2 holes.
Maybe 16. Did you count 16?
14,
Just give them the benefit.
15.
17.
Okay, go ahead and show clear.
17.
Show clear. I'm sorry, slide forward, hammer down, and reholster. You guys remember an argument?